Taxation Department of KAL Autonomous Council resumes the scrutiny of trading license at the perimeter of Sukhanchan market from 10th of November. Usuka expressed their displeasure over dissatisfied construction of drains under SOPD scheme in Bokolia Municipal Board. KAL Labor Union visited Deputy Commissioners of KAL for society registration of their association on 10th of November. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. On 10th of November, Taxation Department of KAL Autonomous Council resumes its inspection for trading license at Sukhanchan market. The pre-planned attack against the on-duty officials of Taxation Department had sparked baffles and curiosity across the district and state as a whole. Police Department had been working tirelessly to apprehend all the warmongers connected with this case. Hence, many convicts were arrested and the situations in the region had returned back to normalcy. Despite the odds, Taxation Department led by Sona Singh Terang, Deputy Secretary of Taxation Department, KAL Autonomous Council did not suspend their duties. They had been simultaneously conducting the inspection and scrutiny of trading license at various locations on 10th of November. Taxation Department resumes the scrutiny of trading license at the perimeter of Sukhanchan market. Sona Singh Terang, Deputy Secretary of Taxation Department, KAL Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that the scrutiny of trading license at East KAL had covered in almost every part of the district.
Dedak Sukhanchan ta pinian almost 80-90% getang lo. Kasi getang tangi humni dala. Kasi humni ke penapan sini tum pangceng bundu ko latang dat ini tum bukoyan sia ko tum dapit ko.
Also informed that in order to generate the revenue from trade and commerce sector, trading license is granted to non-tribal traders under KAL Autonomous Council. Traders without trading license are directed to apply for their license from the office of the Taxation Department of KAL Autonomous Council.
Renewal nang dia tuman ta adak di kusi bang ko. Adak sini tum renewal fees adak sini tum joma tikang ko. Laben kawe tuman an sisteme adak si office bang ko itu. Non aku ke.
Ananterang's report from Bokajan for KAL Live. Every developmental project and schemes are undertaken after proper estimation, planning and management with all the executives. Likewise, United Students Union of KAL filed an RTI petition to know the in-depth details of the estimation, planning and management made in the construction of drains under SOPD OD5 for the year 2018-19 at Udaligaon and Bahani Adarsa, Bongkok Teranggaon under Bokolia Municipal Board with an estimated cost of Rs 17 lakh each. After an RTI report was received, it was found out that the drains constructed under SOPD scheme were disappointing and were not constructed as per the purpose structure of the plan. Jintu Hazarika, activist of Usuka, while speaking to us, informed that there are 7 wards under Bokolia Municipal Board, and out of the total wards, the most unprofessional and disappointing works carried out was found under the chairman's ward of the town. Hence, the KAL Autonomous Council authority must intervene in this corruption practice under Bokolia Municipal Board and terminate the chairmanship of Bokolia Municipal Board at the earliest. Adding a note to that, it is very surprising as the KAL Autonomous Council authority remains silent despite the news of collecting money from the beneficiaries of PMAYG housing scheme were floating around the clock. Therefore, we appeal the concerned authority of KAL Autonomous Council to set an inquiry over the dishonesty practiced under Bokolia Municipal Board. And if the KAL Autonomous Council failed to intervene in this matter, huge protests would be staged, and also we could be compelled to report it to the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Department in the following days.
Immediately etu town committee report ব্যবস্থা লব লাগে আৰু টাউন কমিটি চেয়াৰমেনক অতি সোনকালে পদত্যাগ কৰিব লাগে বুলি আমি দাবী জনাইছো আৰু যদি নহয় তেতিয়া অনাগত দিনত আমি ইয়াৰ ওপৰত তীব্ৰ আন্দোলন কৰিবলৈ বা আমি এইবিলাক কাগজ লৈ ভিজিলেন্সত আমি দিবলৈ আমি বাধ্য হ'ম অতি সোনকালে আমি ক'ব বিচাৰো যে এই বিজেপি চৰকাৰখনে এইটো ওপৰত গুৰুত্ব লৈ কৰি অতি সোনকালে চেয়াৰমেনক পদত্যাগ কৰিব লাগে।
Parsing Rong Piece report from Howard Kehat for KAL Live. On 10th of November, members of Karbi Anglong Labor Union visited the office of the Deputy Commissioner and felicitated Madhusmita Bhagawati, Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong, and handed over a copy of memorandum to the Union for Society Registration. The team was led by Mensing Rongpi, President of Karbi Anglong Labor Union. Mensing Rongpi, President of Karbi Anglong Labor Union, while speaking to us, he informed that they went to the office of the Deputy Commissioner for the purpose of registration of the union. And to move the process forward, they appealed the citizens of Karbi Anglong to come together irrespective of their religious background, color, caste and gender for the welfare of the society. Now they had to amend 25 articles for the union in the coming days. They had unanimously decided to set up their central committee head office at Deephu. The process for society registration is not easy. Therefore, Karbi Anglong Labor Union would try their best to successfully register their union within 2022 and 2023.
Chun pame mela ke pat chun dia phane tum pini pen move lo la so registration afan la pen sela to pailo ni tum article 1 pen 25 ando labang suni tum ansu se labang se pa plain pon dia phan ke ni tum pini pen chisikdang ponang kokbo la pen teni tum ke claim ponang yi ke east west ni tum kadok awe chingrum pet pen sela bang so kame ke claim ponji la sik solang dora phan ke pa chini ke lalo ansu se nang cherap nang chetu dung noi athemani tum tame thang da ke charge abun e pan jo itum ansu se bidi surya bang putin tanang ibun tha.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.